Ka kinhun menteri ka sorkar Meghalaya haka arterik unailar kala aya ka jingmynjur ya ka service rule jang ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC lingba menteri rangba ka jela ukongrat kia sangma. Habakran sekilat patai kubwa nakaliang ukongrat sangma ulaong baka MPSC kala terikam menta la daki buan pauteli kisnam Henry kamdan satya ya ka service rule na ka benta ki nongtrei ki jangka. Kumtaru menta kasngi haka jingyalang ka kenhuan menteri haka bakhadu ngila ai ka jingmynjur haka bayadai bat ka service rule jang ka MPSC ong UCM ka jela. Nolor kata ukongrat ula pentip ru baka kenhuan menteri kala ai ru ka jingmynjur haka bayadai bat ki jingpen kala ya ka Meghalaya Medical Council Act MMCA khat kendai spa praponyaw. Kam Hashwa, kajudan ka Medical Council of India MCI, bat haka MMCE, ka kentian MCI kadang yai beteng bandan. Henry kumbaya tip baka MCI kalakala, bat menta la tip kum ka National Medical Commission NMC. Bat kumta ya katay ka kentian lahap ban penkala haka ag jong ka MMCE. Ya kani ka jingpen kala lawan ra menta lingba ka ordinance ya ka bala wengno menta da ka sorkar ong shu UCM ka jela.
So the first was the agenda of the service rules of the MPSC. As you're aware that the MPSC has been functional for decades, but it did not have service rules for the employees out there. And hence today in the cabinet we have finally cleared the service rules of the MPSC. The same time there was a very minor amendment that had to be made in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act of 1987. As you're aware that earlier there used to be what we call the the Medical Council of India MCI, and in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, the word MCI was still there, but as you're aware, the MCI has been changed and now it is the National Medical Commission, and that particular word had to be amended in the Act of the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, and that amendment has been today proposed through an ordinance, and that was cleared today by the Cabinet. And then there were other issues that were there, which of course we could not clear because there were some discussions and more clarity was required. So those were deferred. So hence, I will not be mentioning about those particular cases. So mainly these two subjects were discussed today. Anything else?
Can you tell us what was the urgency to amend the MPSC? Was there any problem?
MPSC?
Sorry, the first agenda.
There's no. The first agenda was the clearing of the service rules of the MPSC. Every department has service rules which determine the different things of aspects of promotion and the different posts and all the different procedures that are followed. Basic service rules which are there in every department. MPSC was functioning without service rules for the last many decades. In fact, many departments have been functioning without service rules for many decades. In the last 5 years, in the first term of this government, and now in continuing, we have made extra effort to ensure that the MPSC rules are, the service rules are there in place for all the departments, and in line with that particular objective, the MPSC rules, finally the service rules have been notified today.